First, you want to place the wire rack on top of the tray, not inside. This raises the distance between the chicken and the dripping juices. Plus, it allows direct hot air passing through without the obstruction of the tray wall. Fresh wings, yes, just cut at a choice, that's easy. We want to use new fresh chicken wings. The fresher the better, so try to use within 2 days after purchasing. Next, we mix the chicken with salt, pepper, and aluminum-free baking powder to avoid metallic taste. Arrange on the tray with some gap in between, then we preheat the oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit on convection mode. Yes, as explained on the screen, the chicken skin will quickly dry out, brown, and crisp up. Once the oven reaches 500, bake for 30 minutes, then 15 minutes at 450, and still on convection mode. The lower temperature helps reduce smoke. During this time, make your favorite sauce. I have this insanely easy and delicious buffalo wing sauce in a separate video that you should check it out. Before removing the chicken, you want to leave the door slightly open to dissipate the smoke for a minute. And voila, that is it. We are done. How about that? Beautiful wings. Now the top will be crispier than the bottom, not a problem for me, but if you want both of them equally crispy, just flip once near the end and broil for 2 minutes or so. Let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy your wings, and I hope to see you again soon. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye.